Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to enable bass boost for your speaker SOUNDCORE Boom 3i. And basically we have two options how to enable it. We can use an application or we can use control. Let's get started by use the app. So let's move to SOUNDCORE application, and right here we have bass up. Usually this one is equalizer preset, but not this time. So to enable it using app, you need to only tap one time at the slider near to it if the slider have empty background. And if you want to disable it, also tap one time at the slider if the slider have blue background. As I said, we can also use a control. Right here at the top we have bass button. You just press one time, we just enable it, press again, and we disable it. The best part, if we go to the equalizer and let's select balance preset. Now look, I tap at the bass button and look at this part, and it changed to bass boost. And if I disable, also I return to the normal stage. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!